Hey everybody, welcome to my video. My name is Mohit and you're watching my channel MK Tech. So today I'm gonna tell you how you can take a backup of your Mac machine. So it's very pretty simple. First of all, we'll have to launch time machine. So for that we'll have to go to Launchpad. Here you will found system preferences. Click on this. Once the system preferences will open, it will show the option time machine. We'll click on this. Okay, once the time machine will open, you will have to select the disk where you want to take your backup. So I have already connected my external hard disk where I will put my backup on this hard disk. So it's pretty simple. Just click on this, select this where you want to take your backup. So I just select this. Make sure the disk should have a sufficient space for the backup. So now my external hard disk has been selected. So it is showing the next backup will start in 101 seconds. So will not wait for it. Just click on this time machine option on your menu bar and we will click on this backup now button. Once I click on backup now button, it will start backing up. So now you can see the backup process has been started and the total backup is 159 GB. So I think it will take a long time to take a complete backup of your machine. So so I it's simple. This is the simple steps to take a backup. So I hope you understand how you can get a backup of your Mac machine. Thank you.